Sure. I think that many of these do have sometimes because of the regulatory path, yeah, the timelines and cycles can vary. But I think that we can be thoughtful about how we showcase some of these innovations and ensure that there's still value being created along the way. The way I like to break it down is even if there's a long path, what are the value inflection points of your company? So as you look at it, take any company, whether you're like a company that's going to spend billions of dollars to get a rocket launched, or whether you are a company that's making novel enzymes, or whether you're a company that is building a new biologic to take to market, you still have these critical moments, seminal moments in your company, which are these value inflection points. And I like to tease them out really early. What are they? Do you have the skill sets and team already inbuilt to be able to change that? And as long as we've clearly defined it and we continue to track that progress along the way and we're honest about it, and that's the key part. Sometimes you forget, like, and you move these goalposts just because it's the easiest thing to do. But I think it's the tough part is to sit with your founder and talk about, like, why did we not get there? What could we learn from this and what can we change? But as long as we have these milestones and we hit them, I think there's still what gives us satisfaction in being able to tackle these really challenging ideas. Will they take a lot of capital? Perhaps. Will they take a good bit of time? Yes and no. Some of our ideas that are these bold visions have accelerated significantly thanks to the partners they have. So many of our seed stage companies and Series A companies are already operating. If you were to really look at them, you perhaps would sometimes forget that they're a Series A company. I mean, take a look at our company Excision. We probably, I can't think of it, maybe you both can remind me if you've seen any, a seed stage company that has non-human primate data. And that is because they were thoughtful about who they partner with early. Or take Locus as a Series A company. They signed an $818 million deal with Johnson & Johnson. Or we have another company on natural products that is partnered with a top 5 pharmaceutical company as part of their early stage. They're co-developing something with a pharma partner, and so on and so forth. And I think that, yes, maybe it's our network back to our pioneers again who help our companies operate, even though they're early, look like they're later stage companies. But I do think overall, what would take in the normal course someone naturally to do 10 years, we may be able to cut that down by even by half, just based on how we think about partnering, think about like building, and where we know just the trigger points of how to accelerate the parts that we can responsibly accelerate.